Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can deactivate your Facebook account on iPhone. Well, it is very easy. So first of all, simply open the application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then get to the menu bar, simply tap on this menu icon on the top left corner right here. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can get the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it, then tap on settings. So after doing that, tap on see more in account center. Then after doing that, tap on personal details. Then here tap on account ownership and control. And then from here tap on deactivate or deletion. Then in here you'll have to select your profile. So simply tap on your profile just like this. And then here you will get two different options, deactivate or delete account. So if you select deactivate account, you'll have to remember that this is temporary, and if you re-log in, your account will be back. But if you select delete account, then if you do not re-log in within 30 days, it will permanently be deleted. So here we're just going to deactivate our account. So simply select it just like this, then tap on continue. And then here you can see you'll lose the access to following informations. So if you are sure, you'll have to tap on continue. And then for security reason, you'll have to write down your account's password. So after writing down your account's password, tap on continue. Then in here, you'll have to select the reasoning of your deactivation. So here you can get a lot of reasoning like this is temporary, or if you don't understand Facebook, or you can simply select other. Please explain further if you want to explain further. For now, I'm simply going to select this is temporary and then tap on continue. Then you will get a lot of information from Facebook about your account, like how to reactivate and all that. You can read it if you want. Here you can also select the amount of days that you want your account to be deactivated. If you tap on it just like this, here you can see the max is 7 days, or you can also select don't reactivate automatically. So if you don't want your Facebook account to be reactivate automatically, you'll have to select this option just like this, then tap on done. Now your Facebook account won't be reactivated unless you re-log in. So when you're done with all that, simply tap on continue. Then again, you'll get this page where you want to confirm if you still want to use Messenger or not. So if you still want to continue using Messenger, you'll have to select this option, continue using Messenger. If not, simply tap on deactivate my account. After doing that, here you can see we have successfully deactivated our account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.